Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, May 11th. We're looking at the E-mini S&P, but the micro E-mini is a great way for traders to start trading with less risk. I'm going to show you some signals, some trades here on the Trade Scalper. But before I do, remember that trading is risky. Please talk to your broker. Understand there are risks involved with any type of trading that you're doing. Stocks, options, Forex, currencies. Trading is risky. Understand those risks. Now here I have the E-mini S&P. You could trade the micro E-mini, the micro NASDAQ, the NASDAQ. Really, we're following the signals provided by the software, the Trade Scalper. We have a few signals already. One is a long signal here earlier at 4010 quarter. And I'm looking for another signal to be either a buyer or a seller. One of the things that traders forget is that the markets typically go down faster in comparison to when they go up. So if you see a situation where there's a sell opportunity, usually it's much faster sell signal and it occurs in a rapid motion in comparison to a long signal. So here we have a long signal to go long at 40.29. So let's analyze this for a moment. The Trade Scalper program is saying, and we include training as well so you understand how the method works, 40.29 is my opportunity to go long. So now I want to place an order to go long at this exact price. So again, it doesn't matter if you're using a micro contract, if you're using the regular E-mini S&P, if you're using the crude oil, the NASDAQ, whatever signal appears, we treat it in the same way. So now I'm going to place an order here to go long at 40.29. And a couple of things we have to remember: how fast the market is moving, how volatile it is, what's my target, and what's my stop. Now, I take a look at and I use the ATR, the average true range, to help me understand the conditions. The slower the market is, the smaller the profit and the smaller the stop. The more volatile the market is, the larger the profit and the larger the stop. Now, one thing you should consider: if the stop is too large, there's no need to be in this market. We want to only be in the market when the conditions are right. So if the market's too slow and if the market's too fast, we're not going to take these positions, only when the market is absolutely right and at its best. And that's why it's important to attend the live training that we offer, because if you don't attend the live training, don't watch the training videos, don't ask questions, this is a problem.
Order submitted.
So we definitely want you to attend all of the resources that we have to offer before you jump into trading, and then we can actually provide you a free simulator with the Get Started Trading Guide. It includes live data, and that way you can actually practice, learn, do everything you need to do on the simulator before trading live. Now, this is a great benefit to any trader because you want to test, you want to ask questions, you want to understand what you're doing before jumping into this. Now, the next thing we're going to do is place the order. Here I have it at 40.29 exactly, without rushing into it. Be calm. You don't have to jump into it like a chaotic situation. We really do want to have an exact price or even a better price. So if you're able to get a better price, that's what we want. Now, the next thing we do after we're filled is think about the target and think about the stop. And timing is everything. We don't want the trade to last for hours on end. This is day trading. This is for scalp trading. We want to make an instant target and an instant, if it doesn't work out, a stop. We don't want to hold on to a trade when it goes against and losing money unnecessarily, and that's not what we want.
Target filled.
But that target is what we want. We should be utilizing software that gives us an exact entry price like the Trade Scalper does at 40.29, and then using the rules as taught in the course and the live training to get us out at a target, and as well teaching you how to use a proper stop. Now, this is just one signal for about 10:30 this morning. Let's take a look at the follow-up signal. 10 minutes later, there was another signal to go long at about 10:40, 10:43, 40.37. Opportunity to go long. This is a double wick entry also provided by the Trade Scalper software. This was successful. Remember, these targets and these stops that you see, they should happen sooner rather than later. So we want to have a target that happens almost immediately. If you're ever in a trade and the market's going sideways, it's just flopping around, there's no target, there's no stop, get out of the trade. That's one of the prime elements of trading. Don't hold on to a signal if it doesn't make you an instant profit. The next signal here, actually two, to go short, 40.1650 and 40.20 50. This is about 10:55 this morning New York time. Remember, I'm Eastern Standard Time, New York time. These are also short signals. To sell the market, we want to have an opportunity now to make more profit based on using the Trade Scalper software. I also want to say that it's always not like this. We have to be careful. There are going to be losing trades, but we need to minimize those losing trades. We want to focus on what works, and what works is using specific signals and managing the trade, and that's what we teach here at DayTradeToWin. If you have any questions, if you'd like to get a free member account, visit DayTradeToWin.com. You can get a free member account, download some free stuff, and I will see everyone at the next video. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.